കുറച്ചൊന്ന് താത്താമസ് ഞാനിപ്പോ കുറച്ചും കൂടി നീക്കി എന്നിട്ട് ശരിയാവും.
Yes,
Only 25 participants. Give me a second. There are few more getting admitted.
ma'am. മറ്റു പണിയല്ലേ
UKGD. Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Please turn on your videos, everybody. Aiden, Janelle, Patrick. Everybody turn on your video, but mute your mics.
Mute your mic.
Everybody turn on your video and mute your mics.
Okay. Ready.
Yes, I hear the talking sound. I asked everybody to mute it. Mute it. Ready? Okay, join your hands for the prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. Mute your mics. Jennifer, mute your mic. Vedic Vinish, mute your mic. Joanna Rose, mute your mic. Okay. Our dear Father in heaven, we thank thee for this wonderful morning. We surrender each one of us into thy hands. Dear Father, bless us, guide us, guard us. Give us thy spirit, give us thy knowledge, give us thy wisdom, so that we may serve thee. Dear Father, bless our parents, teachers, and all our friends and their families. Bless the hands who make food for us. Bless the people who are suffering from coronavirus and all the people who are in the mission of treating them. We ask all these things humbly in thy precious name. Amen. Open your eyes slowly, everybody. Okay. So who is that in between kept your mics unmuted and was talking and talking and talking? Who was that? Very bad, very bad. Okay, now listen carefully. Children, today we are going to do some of the app words, okay? And before that, I would like to talk to your parents for a while. Just give me a second and everybody listen carefully. So parents, I know there is fear going in you, like the portions are getting tougher and that my child is not able to learn the spellings. No, let me tell you, UKG second term, in the beginning it will go like this. It is not fast. We are actually lagging. Actually, by this time I should have finished birds and other two topics should be over, but it is not yet over. I'm going really slow, trying to do two number names and app words and one set of words. It's getting over since, because second term we are starting with EVS. We have more vocabularies like words to learn. Okay, the number names. EVS is a new subject to your children, and environment, we are trying to teach them the spellings also. So it is not fast as you get scared. It is actually very simple. We are going very slow only. If what happens is, in the beginning itself, if I try coming, I just plan like this, like coming and teaching one subject a week, then what happens is we are going to lag a lot. We are not going to end up by the second term. Even if it gets over, even that time the portions will not be over. It will not reach anywhere. And if we keep everything very little for our children, what happens is when they go to fifth standard, they have all the subjects coming in up more. They have grammar also there. So in that time, your child is going to really face the difficulty of learning everything to us. So it's all a practice. It's all a practice. So what we do is, like in class, actually when you have a regular school, we are not sending any homeworks home. No homework home. Please keep your mics muted, everybody. I don't want anybody calling me ma'am in between. For him, muted. Mic to be muted. Yes. So when we have the regular school, now no homework is coming home. Everything, the study, written part, everything is completed in the school and it comes. It's a wonder actually all the 40 finishes and come. Only hardly the children who have one or two who have really the writing difficulty, who are had dyslexic, something like that, those children will not be able to do. Others will be perfectly fine. So let me tell you how we are doing it. It is all because of oral drilling. Okay, we do a lot of oral drilling in the mornings, and you know, children when they are in the peer group with the same age friends, they learn it very fast. And oral, once the oral is by hearted, it is very easy for them to write it out. So that's why I keep telling you, please make a chart here in your house and keep them do the oral drilling. Maybe for a week you have to give a struggle, because they will not listen to you like how they'd listen to a teacher in school. Okay, I know what you're undergoing. I'm with you. We have to actually work together. Actually, this online session is also new to us. I've been teaching for last 15 years, and this is the first year I'm teaching an online, and it's really a challenge to make them sit on the other side and make them do. Without you people there, parents support, I cannot do any wonders here. I'm zero here. Okay, I know with your support, I'm able to make them do that, at least this much. Okay, so thanks for doing that. Some of you are really worried. Don't get worried. It is a magic. They will learn it. Please listen to me and make them do the oral drilling. Only with the oral drilling we can do and something into their heads. Every day they have to do the picture reading. When they come to school, we do that. I do it every day. I sit with them and spend 2 hours in reading. Morning 1 hour before they leave the class, we keep reading, reading, reading. Reading makes it perfect. They get it by hearted. Once they get it, the spellings get onto their head, it's easy for them to write it out. Okay, so make sure that your child reads all the day the number names, the EVS spellings from the book. Let them read only read one time, and then let them go play. Don't keep them for hours together. They will get bored and mad. They will not. Don't try hitting them. That is not going to work. Once you take away their mood, it's absolutely vain. All your efforts are gone. It's completely zero. They won't listen to you. So make sure that they are in good mood. Make sure when they are in a fresh mood. Sometimes what even I do is, when I get free, I take my child, maybe in the afternoon, 2 o'clock, I call him, come sit and study. My son's mood is already gone. I cannot keep him ready for the study that time. So early when they are fresh in the morning, evening when they are really fresh after a nap, call them and they are ready to learn. Make that time useful for you to teach. Rest of the time when you're working, give them the time for writing. Okay, that's how we are going to do it. Okay, so please take up my word. I'm with you. We are going slow. We are making them do. Let's make it possible. Okay, now everybody listen. Children, ready for the session now? Okay, so children, I know you are all very good children. You're very good children. I know you can do it really fast. Okay, Nancy ma'am is here. Your mommy and daddy is there to help you there. Okay, and this time, because of this corona, no, we are not able to meet each other. Okay, so pray to God to take away this corona, and what we will do is we are going to work together. This is a magic era. Okay, yes, are you all with me? So every day, don't trouble mommy. You're all grown-up children. You need not need mommy's help to sit and read your book. You all know how to take a book, open the book, read the spellings every day. Okay, every day you have to read the spelling. Okay, and tell mommy the spelling. Mommy will be working in the kitchen. You go and tell her the number names 1 to 10. When give the spelling of sunflower, each day go and tell the spelling to mummy. You don't call mummy, come here, don't mummy, come here. Poor mummy, she needs to be in the kitchen also. Okay, you take your book and go to her, sit in a chair and read. Don't put sambar and idli on the book. Huh? I don't want that. Okay, keep your book safely with you and you give the spellings. Okay? Okay, so let's start now. Today, Nancy ma'am is going to introduce app words. Take page number textbook 27 in your textbook. 27 in your textbook. Yes. Page number 27. Okay. So let's read the first letter you see there in the red box. It's app. What is it? App. Shall we read now? Apple cap. Next one. Apple tap. Third one, apple gap. Next, apple map. Apple lap. Okay, now let's see to the meanings. What is that? Apple cap. What is cap, children? When you all go out in the sun, when you all go out to play in the hot sun, or when your papa is traveling in the bike in the afternoon, what he will wear on his head? He will try to wear a cap. Yes, apple cap. You all have a cap in your house, right? Yes. The next word is tap. What is it? tap. What is tap, children? Mummy will tell you. Go wash your hands before the lunch. Go wash your hands after the lunch. Go take bath from the tap. Yes, you all go and open the tap for taking water. Yes, you all have tap in your house. So that's it. Tap. Okay, next. Next picture, you see a map. What is it? Map. This is India map here. We live in the country called India, and this is our country map. Okay, you have seen Dora and Boots. Yes, as they were walking, Dora will say, map. Then the map jumps from the bag. What is map? It is for showing the way we use. Yes, to see the way, how to move on. Yes, Dora always carries a map with her. So, map. The next one is lap. What is lap? Do you all sit on your mummy's lap? Yes, mummy, when she is really happy with you, when she finds you are good children, mummy will come. Come, sit on my lap. And madi vandirino. That what will Amma do? Amma will hug you and give you a small kiss on your face. Alle? When mummy really loves you, when you're really good children, mummy will keep you on your lap, on her lap, and give you a small kiss. Yes, that's called sitting on the lap. See, Mother Mary is carrying Jesus on her lap. Did you see that? See, lap. Yes. The next one is gap. What is gap? There is a bridge. What is there, children? There is a bridge there. Palam. A palatinte edekku oru gap kandao. It is not complete. If you go in between, the bridge is broken. നമ്മൾ അതിനകത്ത് വീഴും അല്ലേ? So that gap is called, that place between where there is no bridge is called gap. Okay, parents, put your finger there near the gap and tell them that's a gap. Okay, yes, so that's a gap. Let's read now. Apple cap, apple tap, apple map, apple lap, and apple gap. Now don't write anything. Look at the screen. Nancy ma'am is showing you on the screen the app words. Please watch. Okay, now see here, apple app. Okay, the first word is apple cap. What is the cap which you wear on your head? Yes. The next one is gap. Apple gap. The space between two objects. In between there is a gap. Okay. The next one is lap. Apple lap. Your mummy's lap. Next one, tap. Apple tap. You go and wash your hands in the tap. Next one, map. Apple map. What is map? It's Dora's map. Dora's map. Then I want to introduce two new words. What is that? Watch here, which is not in your book. One is nap. What is nap? Nap. We all sleep in the night. Yes, that is called a long sleep. We wake up. Yes, long hours of sleep. That is called sleeping. Okay, but this is nap. What is nap? Nap sleeping for a short while. Okay, usually babies have a nap. If you have babies in your house, you can see them. They sleep for a while and they wake up. Okay. Then you have seen your grandmas or sometimes your mummies when they are tired, or in the afternoon if somebody is having medicine, or sometimes to take a rest, we go and sleep for half an hour and then we wake up. That's called nap. Sleeping for a short period. That's called nap. Now, I want to teach you another word. What is that? C-L-A-P. What is it? C-L-A-P. What is it? C-L-A-P. Clap. What is it? Clap. Everybody clap your hands and show me. Clap. What is it? C-L-A-P. Clap. Okay. Now, I want to introduce one more word. What is it? F-L-A-P. Flap. What is flap? Have you seen the chicken, or have you seen the hen, duck, and crow and all flapping their wings? Ingane kai pidichittu with the wings, the birds will flap their wings. Have you seen that? Do like flapping. Everybody do the flapping. Very good, Adya. Fahim, Vidya, Vedic. Do the flapping. Yes, this is called flapping. What is it? Flapping the wings. Okay. Now, let's take workbook, page number 21. Okay. Page number 21 in your workbook. Parents, please help your child take page number 21 in the workbook. Okay, children, Yes. We are going to write only one time now. We are going to write only one time. And after my class, you can continue writing. That will be your homework for today. Okay? Yes, let's do it. The first one, a, per, app. Everybody write with ma'am. A, per, app. Write fast. Let me see if you're really fast. You're all Chechis and Chetins. Johes, Rituparna, Advik, Rifa, Trisha, Joel, Dhyan, Sam, Christabel, Shriveda. Right. Astia, Aisha, Advika. Inaya, Patrick, Srishyam. Finished? The next one is cap. K, a, per, cap. Write only one time. Alankrita, Ivania, Joanna, Jennifer, Amog, Nesta, Fahim, Vedic, right, Amog, Jennifer? K, a, per, cap. Gayatri, right, Helen, Aiden. The next one, let's write tap. T, a, per, tap. What's it? T, a, per, tap. Amog? Right, Amog. You're my friend, no? Take your book and write one time. Amog, take your workbook, page number 21. Write one time now. After my class, you can write later. Workbook. Okay? The next one, let's write map. M, a, per, map. Finished? Are you all saying and writing? Children, all of you open your mouth, say and write, or else we are not going to learn the words. Everything we will forget. Please say and write. The next one is nap. N, a, per, nap. If you're really my friends, if you really love Nancy ma'am, then say and write. Say and write. Very good for him. Fahim is my friend. Very good, Jennifer. Finished? Write one time. Next, let's write lap. L, a, per, lap. Helen, are you writing? Next one. G, a, per, gap. Amog, say and write. Gayatri, Vedika, Alankrita, are you sleeping on the bed, Alankrita? Ma'am has told you always to sit on a table and write. Your handwriting will go dirty. I see a nice studying table there, Alankrita, behind you. A beautiful, lovely table. Nice blue table. After my class, you go sit there and write, okay? Next, flap. F, L, A, P, flap. What is it? F, L, A, P, flap. And the last one you have there is again app. A, per, app. Okay, have you all written one time? If you have done that, the rest of it will be the homework for today. Okay, now I would like to show you the sentence. So parents, I want your help. There is written, small letter A is written in the beginning of a sentence. Please strike it and make a capital A. Okay, always a beginning, capital A should be the beginning of a sentence. Okay, capital letter A, cap. Children, you see a sentence there. What do you see? A picture is there. What is that picture? There is Mr. Cat there. Okay. Mr. Cat is sitting there, and Mr. Cat is having a cap on the head. Okay, where is the cap? It is not under the cat, it is on a cat. So let's write a cap on a cat. So how do we read the sentence? See, a cap, cap, a cap on, on, on. Where is the cap? It is on the cat. So we write on a cat. A cap on a cat. Okay, write one time only. A cap, a cap on, say and write, O-N, on. Parents, all this reading practice, please make them write from here. Let them say and write, or else in first standard, they will not be able to read a word. A cap, please insist on their children, they'll forget. In class also, we find it very difficult to keep on telling them, open the mouth, open the mouth. Please do that right now. A cap on a cat. Cat. Why they are not telling, I will tell you. Because they are writing for the first time. They are so immersed in writing, they are looking at the words and busy in copying. Meanwhile, it is a training to tell them to say and write. Joanna, say and write. Gayatri, Jennifer, Amog, open your mouth, say and write. Ivania Rose, good girl. Anvin, say and write. Everybody. Finished? If this is done, one time, everybody take the same, now this will be the homework for today. Okay, now turn the page, same workbook, page number 35. Turn your pages to page number 35. Okay, everybody. Take page number 35. Okay? Yes. What do you see there? You have matching there. Parents, when you turn, no, show them the page number 35 and tell them how to turn. See the numbers and turn. What comes after? Okay. So it's a practice. When they go to first standard and all, teachers will be telling them, take page number 10, take page number 11. They should know how to turn and take it to. Show them page number 35. This is page number, and here it will be written. Either in the top of the page or at the bottom of the page numbers will be written. All that you please tell them. Because they're small children, they don't know to take page number. When teachers go to first standard, they tell them, they think they know, but they are not. So please tell them right now. This is page number 35. This is how you turn. Children have taken page number 35. Okay, now take your pencils in your hand. Let's do the matching now. Now, parents, you have to help me here. Okay. Okay. So the first picture there is, what's flower there, children? There is a first flower. It is written, drawn there. What is it? It is champa flower. What flower is there? Color is not there. So ma'am is giving you the name. It is champa. Okay. So what is the spelling there? Give me the spelling of champa, everybody. C-H-A-M-P-A. Very good. So where is C-H-A-M-P-A? Match it. Parents, help your child match it. Ask them to take the pencil and please help them match it. Champa. Match it, everybody. Parents can hold the hands if they are not able to do. If they are able to do, let them do it on their own. Yes, Gayatri is able to do. Inaya is able to do. Helen, could you do? Try, everybody. Okay. The next one. Can you see flower, next flower down, second flower picture? That's called jasmine. The small jasmine flowers here. Okay. Can you see here? Jasmine flowers? Yes. So let's match it. Where is the spelling of jasmine here? J-A-S-M-I-N-E. Jasmine. Please touch the word so that your children will be able to match it. Jasmine. Finished? Everybody? Okay. Now, the third one is down here you see a picture, lotus flower. Yes? Now, what's the spelling of lotus? Lotus. Lotus. Now, match it. Lotus. Where is lotus? Lotus. Lotus. Finished? Okay. The next flower you see there is marigold. 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 Please match marigold. Finished? Yes. Now you all know a rose flower. Yes? Rose. Rose. The down there is a corner. There you see a flower. Rose. Please match rose. 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 Please match it. Good. Anvin, are you able to do? Yes. The next one is sunflower. What do you see there? Asiya and Aisha? Sunflower. Let's match sunflower. Where's the spelling? Sunflower. Where is that spelling? Find Sri Shyam. Where is sunflower spelling? Christabel Lijo, Sri Veda, Adia. Yes, match it. Sunflower. Do you finish matching? Okay. Now, parents, you see a box next to jasmine, lotus, and marigold, rose. And after my class, you can make them copy the spelling from the words and write it into that flower. For example, next to lotus, you will write Lotus. Make them write, copy and write. Okay. From the book 2 there. Okay. The next page, children, you see 36 page number, rose, lotus, jasmine, and sunflower. You will write it after my class. That's the work. Okay. So parents, the work which I'm sending you today will be, you can split the work. Okay. Now you can make them do one subject. In the evening, you make them write science, and tomorrow you can do maths. Split the work like that. Okay. Don't take it on you too much that everything should be completed today. Today I'm splitting, you can split it like this. Morning you make them do English. Afternoon when they have a nap and when they wake up, make them do science. And tomorrow you give them maths. Okay. So it will be easy for them also to learn. But oral part, please do it every day. Okay. Okay. So children, page number 36, you see rose, lotus, jasmine, and sunflower. You can write it later. Inaya, what happened? Trying? No? Okay. And you have coloring there. What flower you see there, children? It's a shoe flower. You see a shoe flower there. What flower is there? It's called the shoe flower. Okay. So you can color this shoe flower with red color, and the leaves you can give it green color. Okay. And write the missing letters there. Okay. Yes. HOEFLOWER. You have to fill in the missing letters. Okay. Now take page number 51. That will be homework for tomorrow. Okay. 16, 17, and 18 number names. You have to write it there. Okay. Now look at the screen. Put your books down. Close your books. Now I want to revise number names 1 to 10 with you. Okay. Shall we revise that? Look at the screen, everybody. You don't write anything. Please look at the screen. Pencil down, close your books, look at the screen and repeat the spellings with ma'am. I want everybody to give me the spellings. Okay? Pencil down, look at the screen. What is it? O, N, E. What is it, children? 1. O-N-E, 1. The second one, T-W-O, 2. What is it? T-W-O-2. Third one, T-H-R-E-E, 3. What is it? T-H-R-E-E, 3. Okay, let's do 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Parents, please ask your children to give me the spelling as I am writing. Everybody give me the spelling. I don't know. What is the spelling of 5? I forgot. Please give me the spelling of 5, everybody. What's the spelling of 5? F-I-V-E, 5. What's the spelling of 6? Yes, I, X, 6. Yes, E, V, E, N, 7. E, I, G, H, T, 8. Okay, E, I, G, H, T, 8. The next one is 9. N, I, N, E, 9. I will send them. 9. T, E, N, 10. Okay? Children, every day I want you to take the chart and read the number names. Today you will be reading. Today and tomorrow you will make thorough the spellings of 1 to 10. No mummies will sit with you. All are grown-up children. I want you all to do it on your own. Will you do it? Yes or no? Okay. So parents, oral drilling, please don't forget to make them do. Today you can split your work. Now, right after my class, leave them for 10 minutes to go get freshen up and come. Let them look at the greenery and see, drink water, play around and come back. Once they come back, please make them write only app words right now. And after that, close the book, send them for lunch, let them play. Let them have their own playtime and all that. In the evening, please call them back and make do EVS coloring. Start with the coloring and ask them to write the EVS letters. Okay, and ask them the spelling once they finish. Now close the book and let them have their own free time. Tomorrow morning, when you wake up, please ask them to do the maths number names. Okay, that will be fine. Okay, everybody, happy everybody. Okay, I am with you, but I want you all with me also. Okay, don't leave me alone. Children, don't cry when you're studying. You're all grown up chechis and chetins. That's why you're getting a lot to learn. When you go to first standard, yes, you want to write fast, right? So I will help you to write. Please listen to mummy and also to ma'am. Only then you will go, you will do write fast. Okay, children. Bye-bye. See you all. Go play for a while and then study. Bye-bye. See you.